Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about how to make a homemade lip scrub. Just in case you have chapped lips or dry lips, this is going to help you get rid of the dead skin cells, exfoliate your lips and make them softer so that your lipstick can glide on way more easily and beautifully. So I'm using honey, coconut oil and sugar. In the absence of coconut oil, you could use olive oil. So I'm making a paste out of the mixture. So now I'm just wetting my lips with a wet wipe so that the granules of the sugar don't seem too harsh on my lips. So I'm just going to be taking a bit of that paste and rubbing it on my lips and then scrubbing with my finger. I'll scrub my lips for about 5 minutes. Then rubbing my lips together too helps me also scrub the lips because the granules between the two lips scrub the lips basically. So now with the toothbrush, I'm going further by using this toothbrush now to take out any stubborn skin, any stubborn particle of the chapped lip that is left. And now I'm just going to be wiping everything off with a wet wipe or a washcloth. You could use a washcloth too. So now that that is done, for the final step, I'll be taking some Vaseline. In the absence of Vaseline, you could use some lip balm to further moisturize your lips. So I'll just be applying that all over my lips. And now the lips look softer and more hydrated. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.